triangle thing? The soul patch? All right. Today is the last day of Devour for summer 2021. I'm going to finish off. We got 95 covers. Probably stay about that. Because as you can see, it's raining. It's supposed to stay raining for a minute. So no patio tonight. So we'll hover around that 100 number. It does start right at 5 with the biggest block. We got a 10 block right at 5. So let's be set. Let's be ready for it. And then we'll have a great night. It does go until 9:30. So reservations will be good. Setups. Everybody good on setups? Not even pasta. I already made pasta. Already made pasta. Gene, you ready?
Mushroom and pasta. Mushroom and
Yeah, Gene making pasta. That's hell yeah.
mushroom and carrots.
Matt?
I'm set up.
When? There's one weird one in there.
One weird one?
It has figs on it.
Don't use it.
Don't use it. All right.
Rita?
Pork belly and brioche and peel the tomatoes. That would be it.
Okay. And you're just working on mousse? Okay. One thing I meant to say in pre-shift yesterday, and I forgot to, but I want to let you guys know, we will have a couple new people joining the team. They will be starting not next week, but the week after. They'll be starting on the 14th. So there'll be 2 new members of the team. So as I say with every new member, remember what it feels like to be the new person, you know? So let's all do our part and welcome them and teach them how we do things the right way and help them along in their journey that is Vita. So that ties into the new quote that I put up there from a song that was playing earlier. Has everybody heard that song? Freetone, just heard it for the first time today.
Yeah, it's I really liked him when he did like the tone with something like that. Yeah, it's really nice.
It's a good song.
Yeah.
But that line in there, you know, made me think of, sometimes when I talk about what the aspirations are for this place, some people probably think that it's kind of lofty and crazy and silly even. Doesn't have to be. I don't think I'm the only one that thinks it could be possible. So that's why I put that up there, and that's what I wanted to say, because the new people coming in, like, that's what I'm hoping to find with every new hire too. It's kind of like Quantum Leap, right? Did anybody ever watch Quantum Leap? Nobody. Crickets. All right, it's this old show. An old people. You know Quantum Leap, right?
Quantum Leap.
Yeah. See.
It's an old show.
Well, kind of. Nobody knew it. Anyway, he was always the next leap. Might be the leap home, but anyway, the next hire might be the next person that believes that we can do this and be that next addition to the team that just gets us clicking on all cylinders. If we ever get to that point, it's gonna be exciting. It's gonna be something special, and it's gonna be an awesome thing to be a part of. So that's why the quote's there. But the new people coming in, make sure to welcome them, and like I say, make sure to tell them and teach them how to do the things the right way. You're not telling them out of something that is coming from a negative place. You're doing it out of a place of love and out of a place of wanting them to be better and wanting to be a good teammate so that it makes your job even easier, right? Because if you're better at what you do, it makes his job easier, and vice versa.
I'm gonna treat it like a true karate.
No.
No.
Anyway, so one more week, and then we'll have them joining. So next week, we're saying Devour's over, but next week is still going to be busy. So next week might be a little taxing for that week because we will still be a little short-handed. But you guys are great at what you do. You did a great job these past 2 weeks, and especially this week. So let's do that. We'll be all right. But that's all I got. Anybody have anything for the group? Anything?
I like what I'm hearing.
Saturday, so clean. That's all I got.
To the point.
Lindsay is helping us out again tonight. She'll be back in dish. Lineup, same as last night. Okay. Again, just keep it going like that. But this first block, the biggest block, let's not be caught on our heels. Out of the blocks. Have the blocks on your toes. Blocks? What are the blocks? You didn't run. Clearly, you're not a runner.
I know it's a reason. It's when I keep frazzled.
Walk out with your pot top.
All right. Have a great night.